How to correctly fill the application form for the temporary residence. The application form has to be filled in blocked letters in the Slovak language. There is the same application form for 3 different types of applications. Please strike out what does not apply. In the first column you fill your surname, then your title, your first name, name at birth and all previous surnames if you have some, then sex. The next columns are for your date and place of birth. Follows the country of your birth, citizenship and nationality. By nationality is actually meant your ethnicity. In the next column you can choose your marital status. According to the Slovakian law you can be single, married, divorced or widowed. Further you fill the details of your valid travel document. You have to choose for what kind of purpose of temporary residence do you want to apply for. For example, for employment, business, study or family reunion. Next you choose the type of residence. On second page you fill your highest level of education achieved. Here are the right Slovak word choices. You fill your occupation and your employment before your arrival as well as the details of your employment in Slovakia. In the next column is your permanent residence abroad, which should be written as well in your native language. Follows your residence in Slovakia with the date of registration. If you have a spouse, parents, children, or siblings, please fill in their details. In case you already have a long-term residence in another EU member state, you fill in your address in the member state with the number of the ID card there. In the end you can choose your correspondence address in Slovakia and you can decide whether your residence ID card should be delivered to this address or you will pick up it in person. The last page has to be filled by the foreign police. If you will have all the necessary documents, they will issue you a confirmation about receiving your application.